that's a snake, huh? Yep. Stay right over here. I'll let him go where he wants to.
It's coming for us. What's it gonna do?
He will pick us to pieces. Oh, there's a good. Oh no! Oh, Daddy, come see this one over here. This is pretty. Mom, I see one that's brown, white, and green put together. He's so cool. Oh yeah, Daddy, come here, Mama, come here.
He's beautiful. Look at that.
Like something toward it down. But the first one's
Far
still
old.
on
There's
there.
a tree that kind of looks like that, and it was diseased.
It was what? Yep.
Mantis is on the premises.